Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on OPPO A95. And let's start with the first one. It will be on how to find your device if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house. You can ask Google with the phrase "where are you?" or even shout to make your voice reach your phone. And now let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm here.
Next one, it will be on how to translate. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
Next will be on how to count calories. Hey Google, count calories in my burger. Okay, wait, because it actually detected my voice before. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?
there are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else. And then we have the messages. You can send messages to any people from your contacts as well. And you can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send a message to my mom, I ate the burger. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.